Trump explains why he told crowd they won't have to vote, and makes it sound worse. HuffPost. The former president also expanded on his plans to dodge the next debate. Everybody knows who I am. Below are your comments. Another scary thing Trump has been saying to his cultists at rallies is that they don't need to vote. I have so many votes, I don't need your vote. He says he will be fine. This has been said many times. This can be taken to mean that it doesn't matter how the vote goes, the election will be Brock. See more. I'll try to translate Trump. All I care about is getting in, getting power, and avoiding prosecution. 00. The country does not matter in the slightest after I get elected because that is an end in itself. If I don't need your vote, then the country never needs your vote ever again. The world and politics end when I get in again. You're welcome. 00. The news says key states aren't going to certify their votes. Thesis what Trump meant when he said, "We have all of the votes we need." They're planning on taking the country by force. It was clear from the moment Harris replaced Biden that Trump would back out of a debate. He thought Biden was an easy mark. He also knows Harris will humiliate him. He knows nothing. Trump's right, it's simple. The former president does not hide his love for dictators. He brags about writing love letters to Kim Jong that wants to take one of his nuclear missiles and blow America away. Then he orders the majority party of the MAGAs instructing them to vote against ending war supplies to Ukraine so that it can defend itself against Putin's. Then we have Viktor Orban, the autocrat that he has visited with on 2 occasions in the U.S. How can any American say that the former president is loyal to our democracy, republic when he continues to show more interest in governments that are led by dictators? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.